In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can manage app notifications on your Chromebook device. So this is actually one simple way to make sure that you're only receiving notifications from apps that are deemed to be important, and you can basically just ignore or stop notifications from apps that you feel like too annoying, or you probably feel like the notifications from those apps are not important enough. So here's how you can do it. First, you have to go to the settings page, click launcher, and you want to visit settings, and after that go to apps and go to notifications. So this is where you can play around with the settings of the app notification. Click manage app notifications, and here the ones that are turned on basically means this app is able to send a notification. Now actually all apps can send notifications, but basically by default, if you want to see the notifications, you have to open this section, this area where you can see the full notifications about other apps that you might have disabled from this setting. So that's basically the idea of turning on and turning off these switches on the manage app notifications. And by the way, if you want to disable or stop notifications like from all apps temporarily, you can enable the do not disturb mode, and basically this will stop notifications and let you just focus on your work. Now, we've been talking about notifications from apps. How about notifications from website? Well, in order to set up or manage the notifications, we have to go through Google Chrome. So let me close the setting page, and I'm going to launch Google Chrome. And after that, go to this menu and then go to settings. And then go to privacy and security. You want to scroll down a little bit. Okay. Now go to site settings, and you should be able to see the notification. Oh, there you go. This is the notifications. You can click on it, and you can set the notification settings for all websites that you might have visited, or you might have enabled notification before through Google Chrome. So you can actually just select collapse all requests in the address bar. So this actually, if you want to just stop all notifications, you can select this option, or you can also click on this option if you want to. But I think this option is good enough. It's still allowing notifications, but it is only the most important ones, and also only the ones and basically you can only see the notifications by interacting with the website. So I think it's not very disturbing, it's not very annoying to say the least. So that's basically how you can set and manage notifications on your Chromebook device.